everybody, this is Leo at the lead time. So last video I show you how to make a hand sanitizer by using vodka. Just review, when you choose vodka, remember choose the high proof. Just remember proof and a percentage. So based on the CDC, the percentage has to be at least 60%. So that means 120 proof. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to make a whole organic hand soap by using Castile soap, Hydrosol, and water. So the Castile soap is organic soap, so we need to dilute it. After we make the hand soap and adding this the foam bottle, I use this empty one. So the recipe is when you mix the Castile soap with water or hydrosol, you want a 4-part water and a 1-part soap. So today I'm gonna use 1 cup of water with hydrosol. So I have about ½ cup hydrosol. So this hydrosol I use lavender. On top of the hydrosol I also have some essential oil because I was using the distiller to make the fresh hydrosol. And then add water to dilute it to 1 cup. Now I'm gonna add so I have a 1 cup water with hydrosol. So I need a 1/4 cup Castile soap. I gotta add a 1/4 cup. Yep. So now I'm gonna use a spoon to mix it. Just try to mix well, so there's no separation between the soap and the water. So after mix, that's ready. So this one a little bit cloudy. One of the reasons because the hydrosol is cloudy, especially the fresh made hydrosol. So now I'm gonna add in this bottle. Okay, and then close it. Okay, so let's see. So see the foam come up, and then wash your hands. Yep, don't forget the rule when you wash hands. Okay, so today I show you how to make a hand soap by using Castile soap, water, or water mixed with hydrosol, and you need a foam bottle. And then the ratio is the 4-part water with 1 part Castile soap. Okay, hopefully this can help you when you make your hand soap at home. So this is Leo from Lead Time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.